It's Memorial Day weekend, and Happy Trails Hiking is hanging out at Lake Wappapello. Let's take a look at the Wappapello Dam. We started our visit at the Visitor Center. It's a good place to go and get your permits for boats and fishing, as well as to take a look at some of their displays. Lake Wappapello is a U.S. Army Corps of Engineers reservoir that sits on the St. Francis River. The Wappapello Dam was created in 1941. The primary purpose of the dam is flood control, although it's been developed as a recreational area with ample opportunities to boat, fish, or camp. These signs are at the top of the auxiliary spillway. They talk about how the dam and levee systems work together to keep the area floodplain from flooding. We finally found the gatehouse, and it wasn't what we expected. Yeah, so you think this is it? Right here?
Might be.
Definitely something.
Yeah, it's very small.
Not a big dam at all.
So what we just saw is not all the way through, which would explain the name for the auxiliary.
This weekend we are in Site 66 in the Asher Creek Campground. Alf really likes it here. So we're camping at Lake Wappapello this weekend. What are we making for dinner tonight, Matt?
I don't know. I thought this was going to be a picture. We're making cheeseburgers and
Big
fried potatoes.
Cheeseburgers.
And
broccoli.
yeah, token vegetable.
Token vegetable. Are you excited, Matt?
We haven't had a meal like this in forever. Yes, I'm very excited.
It's very pretty. Good job. Asher Campground is a beautiful campground to sit and watch the lake in the evenings, or in the mornings for that matter. Well, we got some really nice sunsets. Matt, people are going to think all we do at camp is eat. We have bacon for breakfast. Start to bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. So you don't think everything that we do is eating. We're gonna go out on this Asher Creek Trail, and it takes off right from the edge of the campground. Trailhead from the campground is between campsites 56 and 57. Here right at the edge of the lake. See, we're walking. Benches for views.
Nice view.
Yeah, very nice view.
All right, we're in all kinds of poison ivy here.
Oh, that's fun. So, Matt and I've decided that this trail doesn't get used very much. Guess people don't come to Lake Wappapello to hike. But there's a bridge. And we're in this lovely wooded area with fun poison ivy stuff. Woohoo! All right. Good thing that the campground has showers when we get back. We found a turtle. He was running away from us a second ago. Have a good day, buddy.
Well, we're about a mile out, and the trail is so poorly used or infrequently used that it's disappearing. So we're gonna turn around and walk by the lake. That's the pretty part anyway. Put another log on the fire. Look at that.
We always try to have lots of fun when we're camping. Till next time, thanks for watching.